What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add rows and columns to a table in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing data, structuring information, or simply expanding on content, adding rows and columns efficiently can make your documents more dynamic and adaptable to your needs. Let's start by opening the Word document where your table is located. Make sure the table is ready for editing. To add a row, move your cursor to the place in the table where you want the new row to appear. Look for a small circular plus icon that appears outside the table boundary near your cursor. Click on this icon to add a row at this specific location. If you accidentally place a row in the wrong spot, don't worry, you can easily adjust it. Click to select the misplaced row and then drag it to the desired location within the table. Word allows for easy manipulation of rows, so you can organize your data as needed without having to delete and re-add rows. Adding a column works similarly. Hover your cursor over the part of the table where you need an additional column. Again, you'll see a circular plus icon. Click on this icon to insert a column at that point. And just like with rows, if the column appears in the wrong place, simply select it and drag it to the correct position. This flexibility helps maintain the integrity of your data while accommodating any new information. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.